I'm Jeb Schenck. I'm a retired teacher, now working in outdoor photography and videos, enjoying the good life. Most of my public teaching career was here in Thermopolis. Started teaching in '74, retired in 2012, and so Wyoming's been my home my entire adult life. Right now, working on a series of promotional videos for the Hot Springs County area. That means that you're up before dawn, out on location, filming the sunrise, and then also very late in the afternoon, early evening. It's not convenient. Good photography is definitely not convenient, but it gets me outdoors. My son, he also is a key part of promotional materials because he has incredible editing, screenwriting skills, and so I shoot it, he puts it together, makes it look even better. So we connect a lot, and there's a lot of inter-family support. But we're fortunate. There's a lot of stuff here that most people don't even know of, who even live here. We're trying to help show that. People need to know more about Wyoming. It's a very giving community. We help each other out. I work with a food bank. There are some people who are obviously not so fortunate or have health, financial issues. Glad to help those folks out. So it's a community that reaches out and helps each other. Yeah, we don't have a huge population. I kind of semi like that, you know. That means there's more for us. We have so much here to see and do. I don't get bored. Yeah, we're still connected with Laramie in a lot of different ways. You know, I'm proud of the university, I'm proud of what we've done, but UW, it's a fabulous place. There are a number of reasons. One, it's accessible. It's not terribly expensive. Connect with your instructors. There are a lot of things to do, especially if you're outdoor oriented. Even if you're not, there are a lot of other cultural things. And it could offer a quality education. UW will open up the kids' eyes and show them so many things, so many other opportunities that they had never dreamed of. They can really have an impact, and they are having an impact around the state and around the world.